Welcome back in our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to download and install Black Desert on PC. First off, you need to open your Steam launcher. After opening the launcher, type Black Desert in the search bar located at the top right part of the screen. Click on Black Desert.
How long has it
Click
been?
on Add to Cart. Then view
Since
My Cart.
Arionian year 235.
Continue to payment. You will be redirected to the checkout page. Select your preferred payment method. Click Continue. Fill up the necessary details for the transaction. Then continue. Wait for a while for the app to finish the transaction. Theoretically, after purchasing the game, go to your library. Click on Black Desert. Click on Install. Browse to select a folder to use. Make sure you have at least 50 gigabytes free in your storage. Then click Install. Wait for the download to finish. It may take a couple of minutes to hours depending on your internet speed. And there you go. That is how to download and install Black Desert in your PC. Thank you for watching.